Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makeups Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Let's get started with item number 1, Zauber Perlen by Wolle. So Zauber Palin means magic pearls, and we did introduce this yarn back in July, but as quickly as it came in, it went out. So we haven't been able to promote it since then. But now we did get a new shipment in, and we have all the colors available. There's lots of different colors to choose from. What we really enjoyed knitting with it is the Batad here from Stephen West. So you have 100 grams here, and you have 7 balls and 7 different colors and approximately 440 yards. It is a pure wool, so you aren't going to want to use it for socks, but it's great for cowls and shawls and sweaters and anything else where you might want to use many different colors. And you could actually mix some of these Zauber Perlen as well, do some kind of a patchwork sweater and so on. But right now we're having a special with this Batad pattern. The Batad actually takes one of the Zauber Palin and 2 of our CoBaSis. So if you purchase 2 CoBaSis and 1 Zauber Palin, we will gift you the Batad pattern. All you need to do is, upon checkout, make sure that you have in the notes that or your Ravelry name, so that we can actually put the pattern in your library and also send you a printed copy. There are so many different choices of what you can do to create this Batad, and go really plain and simple too. But so many different ways to do it. It's going to be totally up to you. You get to choice. You get to make the choice as to which colors you want, and we'll gift you that pattern. This is only good till the end of the year, so which is coming up very, very quickly. So we're already planning for 2021, and in 2021 in January we have a lot of new classes coming your way. If you are interested in learning something in the new year, and we hope you are, we have a new designer who is going to be teaching some classes. Her name is Connie Peng, and she is going to be teaching after pockets. So if you have any sweaters, socks, shawls, scarves, anything where you'd really like to have a pocket on but it's already been knit, not a problem. Connie Peng will show you how. She has 2 classes. She has Afterthought Pockets 1, which is actually pockets that are horizontal. Okay, and then she has Afterthought Pockets 2, where it's vertical pockets, so like you would go in from the sides. Both classes are sold individually, or you can take them both. It's really up to you, but it's a new thing to learn. Also, from Faina Goberstein, we have a new class that's called Wow, Right from the Cast On. I sort of like saying that, wow, right from the cast on. This class is not teaching you all new cast-ons, but it's teaching you how to turn your cast-ons into a design feature on your work to make your piece more individual. So we all love Faina. If you are interested in that class, there's also a link below for that. And for those of you who have been waiting for Kyle Kunnecke to come up with another lock floats class, because each one of his classes always fill up, that's going to be happening in January as well. Now, those aren't the only classes we have. We have more online, but those are the ones that we have added this week. The holidays are upon us. Some of us are actually almost through our entire holidays. Others are coming up upon them. However, shipping is a little bit of a problem right now. So what we can offer you are gift cards, digital gift cards, and we have a link below for that. So if you'd like to give a gift to somebody, please do consider a digital gift card. They can be honored both in our shop or they can be honored online. And then we also have in our newsletter a little section just on our clearance yarns. I don't know how many of you know, but we actually have a clearance section online, and we have a clearance room here in our building, and we have some really awesome yarns in there. So I just have a few that I want to share with you real quick. From Shulana, we have the lamb's wool. Look at that. It's a beautiful lamb's wool tweed. It's 100% lamb's wool. It makes a beautiful sweater. It makes a beautiful cowl. I have several sweaters out of it. It is just a lovely yarn, and it is priced to move. We also have a cashmere, and this one is also from Shulana. This is called Cashmere Mode, and it's actually a caged cashmere. So I do believe it's 100%. It is 100% cashmere. So the cage and what's inside the cage is actually cashmere. So there's quite a few colors to choose from this as well. That is also, I do believe both of these are sport weights. And then for those of you who would like something, you know, a little fun, we actually have this faux fur. This is called Ducan. And what I like about the Ducan, here you can sort of see how the Ducan is right there. It's not your ordinary eyelash yarn, because the Ducan is actually, it's 66% wool and 34% nylon, which makes it a more natural yarn. It doesn't feel synthetic whatsoever. You can really feel the wool. This is actually what it looks like when it's knitted up. So it would make, not only you could, you know, a nice shawl or something, but it's also great for trimming hats and, you know, trimming sweaters, putting a stripe in, something like that. You don't have to make a whole piece out of it. But if you just want something small and natural, and there are some natural colors. Look at this. This is a grayish brown that we have. So those are just a few of our clearance yarns that we have in our clearance section. We do update our clearance section frequently. Sometimes we put a yarn up and in 2 days it's gone. Sometimes we put a yarn on and we have large quantities and it takes a while to move it. So please do visit it on a regular basis. It is the weekend. We wish you all a very wonderful weekend. If you're out on the East Coast, I have a feeling you're probably going to be indoors because of the snow, or maybe you'll go out sledding. Over here in the Northwest, if we do any sledding, it's going to be in the rain. But whatever you do, get a little creativity in your life, have some fun, be grateful for what we have, and we'll see you all next week on Tuesday. Ciao.